have a lot of cuts in the movie, so I guess
Yeah.
you gotta keep
Take
on
12.
Take 12. Cut.
Okay.
Rolling.
Thank you for watching.
I'm getting out of here. I'll start laughing.
So now we're inside the chicken coop, and my dear niece Allison painted the walls. This whole thing is Allison's idea. It's her brainchild. This is what it used to look like in here before and after. This was a dead space corner. And the chickens will roost up here, usually at nighttime. And they're jumping through to go to the chicken run, which we're going to show you next. So this is the chicken run. We utilized existing materials to produce this area. Some old farm fencing, chicken wire. Down on the bottom, we have pallets on the ground, which we put soil in, and there's seed germinating. I don't know if you can see the seed germinating. It's grass seed. But on the wall, the pallets are holding herbs. These are merely pallets with soil inside them. And we poked holes using weed barrier to hold the soil in place. We poked holes and planted herbs. And they love the oregano. They're just pecking at it right now. The chickens like sage, mint, lavender, oregano, and a few other herbs. And they're just going to town right now. They're pecking at the grass. This is how we get in. We service the herbs, water the grass. At nighttime, we close up these toilet lids. So predators can't get in. So we'll just block this off at nighttime. But during the day, they have free run of coming in and out at will. They get their fresh vegetables, their herbs, sunshine. They can lay on the grass.